Hello everyone, it's Prosper here from PA Academy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best online SEO courses that also comes with certification. So these are courses that will put you through the current trends and techniques as long as search engine optimization is concerned. So if you're interested in this course, do make sure you watch it to the end. And the courses I'm going to be sharing with you are actually a combination of both free courses and paid courses. And the links to all of these courses are going to be in the description of this particular video. Okay. All right. So before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, PA Academy, or you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel. All right. So thank you very much if you have just done that. If you are yet to just click below, to just take you just 1 or 2 seconds to do that. All right. So now let's get into it. Before we look at some of those courses, I want us to look at what SEO is. By default, you might already know what SEO is, but briefly, let's just look at it. Now, if you search on Google, search on the engine optimization, you come up with, it will come up with a good number of definitions for you. And then let's just look at this first one. It says that SEO, which actually means engine optimization, says is the art and science of getting pages to rank higher in search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. And that's just a simple definition. These are things that you would do on your website or on your page or your website or page to make sure that it is ranking higher in search engines, such that once people search for content or services or products related to what you offer, and then your page or your website, will appear. So what are those things that you're going to do to ensure that your page or your website appears on the top page of search engine? So whatever it is that you are doing is search engine optimization. Okay, so why do you want to learn this? You might want to learn it for yourself. Maybe you have a website or you have a page that you want that page to always rank on search engine. Then this video is for you. And also maybe you want to offer it as a service. You can also offer search engine optimization as a service. Then this video is for you. So do make sure you watch it to the end. I'm just going to be sharing with you 2 free courses and 2 paid courses that you can take up right now to help improve your knowledge and understanding on what search engine optimization is all about. So now let's look at the first one. So we are going to be starting with the 2 free courses. So this is the first one, technical SEO training. Okay, so this particular one, the link is already in the description, like I said. Now it says master the technical side of search engine optimization with this free online SEO training course taught by Blue Array. So if you take a look at this course, this description here says this training course from industry leader Blue Array takes a deep dive into the ins and outs of the technical side of search engine optimization. We explain step by step how to change language on websites to make them easier for consumers to find. This course is a great starting point for anyone who wants to turn their technical skills into an exciting and in-demand career. Sign up to look under the hoods of online content and master SEO. Exactly. So like I rightly said, you might want to learn it just for personal reason. Maybe you want to just make sure that your website or your pages are always up to date with the latest SEO technique. Or maybe you want to offer it as a service, because SEO is definitely in demand. So if you look at this course now, it has about 18,000 learners already enrolled as at the time of making this video, And then the enroll rates are 62. Enrolling course to, okay, people that has read the course about 62. So now let's look at the course module. This particular course has, let's see, 4 modules, including the course assessment. So this course assessment is like a test, which once you hit the pass mark, maybe 75% or 80%, you'll be awarded the certificate like you can see here. And then the course will take about 6 to 10 hours of learning. Exactly. So you should expect a lot of information and knowledge from this course. So if you look at the modules, that's the first 3 modules, that's technical SEO part 1. These are the topics that are going to be taught under each of these modules. The learning outcome, introduction to course and technical SEO, a technical view of how search works, useful tools, crawling technology. And then if you go to module 2, page experience, schema and structured data, status code, and all of this. So once you come on this page, then you're going to see all of this. Then crawlability, image optimization. In ranking a page or a website, the image on the page and website also plays a role when it comes to search engine optimization. All of these are what you are going to be taught in this particular course. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see some reviews here. So Alison and Blue Ray did a great job giving out this course for free. This is fully packed and I enjoy every module of the course. I thank you for helping me start my career with this resource. So you can see the reviews are great, and then the course module, if you check it out itself, you should know that the course content will also be great. So I'll leave a link to this. So once you come on this page and you're ready to get started, so just click on start course now. You can either click here or you click here to get started with this course. So this is the first one and it's actually free, so it won't cost you anything. Just take your time to come and watch the course. All right, so let's look at the second one. The second one is this course, the Ultimate SEO Blueprint. It says this free online course will teach you to quickly improve your Google ranking using your most profitable keyword. Exactly. So this is another one you have to also pay attention to. And remember, you just need to watch more than one course. This is SEO, exactly. You have to be versed in it. You don't just have to watch one course and say, okay, you're already good. You have to pick knowledge from every other courses that you can find on that topic. Exactly. So if you look at it, this is about 16,000 learners already enrolled. And then it says, in this free search engine optimization course, you will learn precisely how to optimize your website so you can work towards showing up on Google's first page using the most profitable keyword and start selling more products and services. Exactly. Because if your business or your service is ranking on first page on Google, with the right keyword, exactly. Because sometimes you might be ranking on the first page of Google with the wrong keyword, exactly. So you have to know the difference between all of this and how to implement it properly. And those are the things, some of the things that this course will definitely be putting you through. So now let's look at the course module for this particular course. So it has just 2 modules. And it's a 3 to 4 hours of learning, exactly. So this is the learning outcome, more like introduction part, then Google SEO blueprint. Now this course make reference a lot to Google because Google is definitely the #1 search engine. So Google SEO blueprint is introduction, Google SEO ranking factors. So what are the factors that to be considered if you are to rank higher in Google? So keyword research foundation, on page SEO, national versus local SEO. There are some business or some website that what you actually need is local SEO, not really the larger SEO. So once you really understand this and you have the right strategy that will work for you, then you'll be fine. Then the ultimate guide to SEO, then the lesson summary. Then you come here is just the module 2, which you are going to take on some assessments, course assessments, and after hitting the pass mark, you'll be awarded your certificate. Exactly. So you can see complete this CPD accredited course and get your certificate. All right. So once you come here, you can see easy and understandable, great course. The reviews are great. So once you come here and to get started, so it's just the same process like the previous course. Click on start course now, and then you're on your journey to learn about the ultimate SEO blueprint. Okay. So these are the 2 free courses that you can get started with. So there's no excuse. What you just need is just give it your time and your dedication. Make sure you implement whatever that is being taught in this course, and I believe to be a great learning experience. All right, so now let's look at the third course. So if you're finding value in this, please give the video a thumbs up. All right, so here is the third course on SEO that comes highly recommendable. It says the Ultimate SEO Training 2024 plus SEO for WordPress website. So there are chances that if you are watching this video, you are watching it more after 2024 because I'm currently making this video late 2024. So even if you are watching after 2024, these courses get updated regularly. You can see, so I'm making this video around November 2024 and it has been updated this month. Exactly. So even if you're watching more after, you can just check out for when it was last updated. So don't look at this 2024 and say the course is outdated. No. So it says SEO training from an SEO agency owner, step-by-step process to rank #1 on Google. So the course is also going to put you through keyword research and technical SEO and more. Okay, so these are things that you're going to be learn about SEO and understand how it all works. So let me pick it randomly. So how to see all the keywords your competitor are targeting, and then sometimes you might not even need to use the keywords that your competitors are targeting. I mean, what they are using. Exactly. Then how to find the best keyword to target for your website, how to find 100 of content ideas for your blog. Exactly. So content ideas that will also help your website to also rank. How do you find them? So how to deal with negative SEO attack. So these are some of the things that you are going to be learning in this particular course. So the course is about 7.5 hours of on-demand videos. So now let's look at the course content. So here is the introduction and then what to expect from this course. So if you click on this arrow here, you see the timeline there. Then SEO, the fundamental principle, keyword research. This is a very important thing when it comes to SEO, keyword research, so that you don't just use keyword that just pop out from your head and then thinking that it's going to work. No, you have to do your research and really understand how to do that keyword research properly. So this section of the course content will put you through how to properly do keyword research. So creating content for your website, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO, speed up your WordPress website, talk about users experience. You also have to have a website that with good user experience, such that when visitors land on your website, they don't just leave immediately because of poorly designed website. These are things that can affect your SEO. So all of these will be discussed in this particular course. So negative SEO, Google algorithm to be aware of, measuring your progress, leveling up SEO knowledge, and introduction to manual SEO audits. So how do you audit your SEO? How do you know if you are improving, if your website is improving with respect to SEO? All of these are what you are going to be learning in this course. So you can see that some of the things that you are going to be learning in this particular course is not in the other two courses that I mentioned. Exactly. So that's why I said it earlier, that you don't just have to stick with one course. Exactly. So do make sure that you go through all the 4 courses that I'm recommending in this video. Okay, so for this particular course now, it costs $19.99, approximately $20, and then the price may actually be different from yours depending on when and where you are watching the video at this particular time. So, but from here it's approximately $20, but it's a great value for money. So just make sure you just look into it, and then also take this consider this course also. You can see it has a rating of 4.8. about 12,000 ratings, and then 59,000 students. So do make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Okay, so now let's look at the last one. The last one is under course on Udemy. It says SEO Training Masterclass 2024. So beginner to advanced SEO. Exactly. So even if you are a beginner in SEO, you don't know you don't have any knowledge about what SEO is all about, you can also pick up this course. Is definitely for you. So top SEO training, get profitable SEO traffic, WordPress SEO, Yoast SEO, keyword research. So, WordPress powers a lot of websites now, and then, so you are going to be seeing how you can do SEO on your WordPress site. So this Yoast SEO, Yoast is a plugin for WordPress. So you are going to be taught how you can set up Yoast properly for SEO purpose, also keyword research, on-page SEO, link building SEO, and lots more. So these are what you are going to be learning in this course. So once you come on this side, you can take out time to check out all of this. So let's just pick it randomly. So this one says what you'll be learning. You will learn how to boost SEO traffic that generates real revenue. Exactly, for any business or websites. Get traffic much sooner. So there are case studies so that you can get results as early as possible. Then advanced SEO strategy that only expert knows. Learn from an SEO pro with 20 years of experience. So leverage on SEO on multiple search engines, Google, YouTube, Amazon, mobile app store, and so much more. So once you're on this page, you can just take out time. You see all of this here. Okay, so now let's look at the course content. So this is actually 19 hours of on-demand video. I think the previous one is about 7.5 hours. Yeah. So this is about 7.5 hours. Why this is about 19 hours. And you're going to get 2 articles and 75 downloadable resources. All right, so now let's look at the course content. So these are the course contents here. So let's just look at it randomly. Once you click on this arrow, you can just expand each of the sections. So you're going to be taught keyword research, starting to use SEO tools, Google Search Console SEO tools to check search performance and indexing. So definitely you need to have knowledge of this. Exactly. On-page SEO, URL structure for SEO, Google Analytics for SEO and website usability, international SEO, off-page SEO, and link building. So even there are things that you can also do outside your website that will help your website itself to rank higher in search engine. So that's what this off-page SEO and link building is all about. So then other SEO backlink strategies. Don't fall for potential scams or bad services. So there's one I saw here that is going to, okay. That's there are some SEO techniques or strategies that are no longer working that you don't even need to waste your time trying. So those are some of the things that this course is going to put you through. So, and this course costs, let's see, $15.99. That's approximately $16. So do make sure you check it out. It's currently the bestseller under that search engine optimization. So the course comes highly recommendable. Okay. If you scroll down and let's see one or two reviews. Okay, so a great experience. I highly recommend this course if you are skimming through the reviews as I did before purchasing. Overall, I am beyond satisfied with what I've learned and how it was delivered. The course was updated. Okay, let me see an F. The course was updated several times while I was doing it, and they added lessons. Okay, and the added lessons didn't bring value to the learning experience. So you can see this is a course that gets updated regularly, and since it's an SEO course, SEO changes from time to time. So this is a great course that you should also consider. So guys, these are the 4 courses that I'm recommending to you if you are really interested in starting your SEO career or SEO knowledge. So get started. I gave you 2 free courses and 2 paid courses. So I'll encourage you to make sure you go through everything. You can start with the free courses, then you move to the paid courses to improve your knowledge in SEO. And more importantly, as you are watching, make sure you practice. Exactly. Don't just watch. Make sure you practice. Get a website that you're going to use or a page that you're going to use to practice everything that you are going to be learning in this video. So I hope you find value in this. And if you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to leave a link to these 4 videos that I'm recommending, these 4 courses that I'm recommending in the description of this video. So do make sure you check them out. And if you have any question for me, do leave them in the comment section below. So thank you very much, guys. And then I wish you best of luck in your SEO journey. And then I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.